Have you ever wondered where the most dangerous places on Earth are? Places where nature is so extreme that a single mistake can cost a human life. Our planet may look beautiful and peaceful from space, but in reality it hides environments so hostile that even scientists approach them with extreme caution. From toxic lakes and volcanic islands to deserts hotter than almost anywhere on Earth. These places are real. And people have actually been there. Let's explore some of the most dangerous places on our planet. One of the most dangerous lakes on Earth is located in Tanzania. Lake Natron looks calm and almost surreal with its bright red and orange colors. But beneath its beauty hides a deadly chemical trap. The water in this lake is extremely alkaline, with a pH level close to ammonia. In some areas it can reach temperatures of over 60 degrees Celsius. The high concentration of sodium carbonate can burn the skin and eyes of animals that come into contact with it. Birds and other animals sometimes die after landing on its surface. Yet surprisingly, one species has adapted to this extreme environment. The lesser flamingo actually breeds here, because predators cannot survive in such harsh conditions. Even in one of the most toxic lakes on Earth, life finds a way. Another terrifying place lies deep in the desert of Ethiopia. It is called the Danakil Depression. Scientists often describe it as one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Temperatures here can reach over 50 degrees Celsius. But the heat is only part of the danger. The ground is covered with hydrothermal fields that release toxic gases such as sulfur dioxide. Bright yellow and green mineral formations create a landscape that looks almost alien. Some researchers even compare this environment to conditions that might exist on other planets. Because of its extreme heat, toxic gases, and active volcanism, the Danakil Depression is often called the hottest inhabited place on Earth. Yet local communities have lived nearby for centuries, harvesting salt from the desert. One of the most restricted and dangerous islands in the world is located near Brazil. It is called Snake Island. Its official name is Ilha de Queimada Grande. And the nickname is not an exaggeration. This small island is home to one of the densest snake populations on the planet. Scientists estimate that there may be thousands of snakes living there. Many of them belong to a species called the golden lancehead. This snake has one of the most potent venoms in the world. The venom can destroy tissue, cause internal bleeding, and in extreme cases lead to organ failure. Because of the danger, the Brazilian government has banned public access to the island. Only a few scientists are allowed to visit it under strict control. Perhaps the most famous dangerous environment on Earth is Death Valley in the United States. It holds the record for the highest air temperature ever recorded on the planet. In 1913, temperatures reached 56.7 degrees Celsius. But the danger is not just the heat. The valley's geography traps hot air, creating extremely dry and brutal conditions. Without water, a person could quickly suffer from heatstroke and dehydration. Yet even here, life exists. Some plants and animals have adapted to survive in one of the harshest climates on Earth. It is a reminder that nature is far more resilient than we often imagine. Another place where nature shows its destructive power is located in the Pacific Ocean. North Sentinel Island. This island is famous not because of extreme climate or toxic landscapes, but because of its isolation. It is home to one of the last uncontacted tribes on Earth. The Sentinelese people have lived there for thousands of years and reject any contact with the outside world. Attempts to approach the island have often been met with arrows and hostility. To protect both the tribe and outsiders, the Indian government has banned travel within several kilometers of the island. It remains one of the most isolated and dangerous places for humans to visit. And then there are places where the danger comes from deep beneath the Earth's surface. One of them is Mount Nyiragongo in the Democratic Republic of Congo. This volcano contains one of the largest lava lakes on the planet. The lava here is unusually fluid and can flow extremely fast during eruptions. In the past, eruptions have sent rivers of lava rushing toward nearby cities. In 2002, an eruption destroyed large parts of the city of Goma and forced hundreds of thousands of people to evacuate. Volcanoes like Nyiragongo remind us how powerful the forces inside our planet truly are. But perhaps the most dangerous place on Earth is not a single location. It is the unpredictable power of nature itself. Earth is constantly changing. Tectonic plates move. Volcanoes erupt. Storms form over oceans. And environments that seem peaceful can quickly become deadly. Yet despite all these dangers, humans continue to explore. Scientists travel to extreme environments to understand how our planet works. Because the most dangerous places on Earth are also some of the most fascinating. They remind us that our planet is still full of mysteries waiting to be explored.